Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. In the previous videos, we walked through the first part of our 14-step non-conformity and corrective action process. We covered all the elements necessary to define non-conformity and typical process features. These are the assigned responsibility for the step, the due date, the actual completion date, the justification for delays, and the estimated time spent finishing the step. If you are new to the channel or still unsubscribed, click the subscribe button to stay in touch and to be the first to learn about our latest releases. Thank you. The next step in our NCR process is containment. In this section, we document the containment from the standard dropdown field and provide details on the action. The part is straightforward, so let's move on. The following step requires consideration of reportability. This element applies only to regulated industries such as medical, aerospace, nuclear, and others. Consider all reporting criteria if you must inform your regulators of particular events. However, if you are not in a regulated industry, remove the section from your process and continue. The complaint section has a selection, yes or no. If this is a complaint, we must document the organization's name and contact information, such as phone, email, etc., and identify the product involved. If this event is internal, check no and continue. In the next step, we will document information related to the supplier if the event was due to the supplier's error. If it were, we would identify the supplier's name, contact name, phone, email, supplier SCAR number, requested response date, and the communication summary. The investigation section includes a unique feature, a reference to the Lessons Learned database to identify similar nonconformities in the system. Following our previous videos, you may remember that we recorded the failure mode in the nonconformity section. We can extract similar NCs from the database to assist the investigation using that failure mode. The risk assessment step is critical in the NCR process flow, as it allows for focusing on the significant issues and sorting out noise. For example, if non-conformity identifies a low-risk issue, conducting a full-blown analysis may not be economical or practical. In this case, the process stops with the data on the event stored for trending. Many NCR systems, if at all, use a typical three-factor risk analysis model: severity, probability, and detection. In addition to the traditional three, our process includes a regulatory compliance component. If the nonconformity was a reportable event, a legal factor 50 sends the risk priority number, or RPN, through the roof, indicating a high-risk event regardless of other factors. Ultimately, the process considers the RPN threshold to stop the process or continue. In our example, while there were no legal implications, the RPN was high enough to require the following steps. This is all the time we have today, folks. In the following video, we will continue our perfect NCR journey. We will start with the root cause analysis. Do not go away, it is going to be fun. Meanwhile, let's summarize what we covered in this video. Describe containment and use the standard drop-down list. Reflect on reportability requirements for regulated industries. If the NC is a complaint, document relevant customer information. For supplier-triggered NCs, document SCAR and customer details. Review similar NCs during an investigation. Determine whether the risk tells to stop or continue the process. As always, check out the free resources on our website. If interested, feel free to download a PDF copy of this NCR process. The link is below. If you like this video, please subscribe, repost, and like. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. Thank you, and until next time.